Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you my latest design team project for Crealies. So if you remember back a couple weeks ago, I created this Halloween album with the new release dies that were out, and not everybody does Halloween, so I figured I would do one in a different theme. That way you can see that this book could have different uses. I know a lot of times when people create an album, it kind of gets stereotyped for that specific style of album. So I thought I would do one in a fall theme because I do know fall is a favorite amongst a lot of people. So real quick, let me just tell you the paper I used. It is the Sound of Autumn from Ciao Bella, and I actually used all three, the 6x6, this A4 size, as well as the 12x12. So let's go ahead and walk through it. So I used a different die on the cover. So this is number 15, and you can see the difference here. So I also wanted to show you that you can do the same thing. You could just do different items, the different dies, and you can just get a different look on it. So these ones look like tombstones, so I used that, and then I just like the style of this one, so I did that. So again, all the same. Here's the back. Real pretty scene with the little deer right there. And this is a full 12x12 sheet, and I just cut it out into 3 separate pieces just to get the picture in the full length on the back. And I also went ahead and did the same thing with the magnetic closure on the side on the smaller tag. And it opens up like this. So you can see all this. So let me walk you over here through this side. So again, magnet closure. And this cute little dog right here on the image. So as you flip it up, you'll reveal a new picture underneath. You can see that. Super pretty. I love the sunflowers. Those are just awesome. And a little doggy hiding out under here looking up. And then again, just closes down with an acetate strap magnetic closure. And we come over here. So this is what I did a little differently from the original. I just wanted to show you that you could get those dies and you can use it in multiple ways. So let's bring it closer so you can compare. So as you can see, I used the die in this direction here on these two. And I went ahead and did them facing each other this way here. I also did a different on the bottom treatment here, so just depending on the direction of your die that you're using, let's see, it's this one here, you can change the look. So this die right here I used to cut this way, but then on the bottom I just flipped it around and I did it this way. So it kind of gives a little bit of a different look. So you can use it different ways, so it's not just stuck one specific way, and that's all you have to use it. So let's flip up here. So right here, just to remind you, this is the way I did those dies. And so it was like this. And then on the bottom one, I actually went ahead and the piece that goes right here, I just took and cut it twice, and I laid the pocket upon itself, so it got this nice pretty little stacked pocket look. So you can see this way here and this way here. So I just doubled it up, and then it's just a matter of the way you angle it. So for this look right here, I did it this way, and then if you don't go such an angle, you can see you can get it like this. So it's kind of neat. So it's just not one way. So those are fun to play with. And I think that was all that I did differently there. So let's go ahead and walk through the album, the rest of it. So again, still the same. Little pockets right here. And then it flips up. We'll walk you through both sides because the way I did the pictures, you can see it. So right here. So that's a really pretty look, isn't it? I love that. So oops, let me go this way first. So you can kind of see it all. And then these fold back down. And then we flip open. So let's just pop this up so you can see room for photos here and here. And then I went ahead and added the pockets so you can see that. And then as well as these photo mats that are all attached on both sides. Just like that. And then put those back in. And we'll close this part up. Oops. And then we open up like this part here. So we have photo mats. The images on this paper are just so pretty. So we have that. And then we lift up again. So we come down here. And then again we have the full, this is pretty. And then we have the full spread for layout for photos. So it goes right across. And then we lift completely up. And then underneath we have our double pockets. Just like that. And then these were from the paper collection. They just open up into little booklets so you can put photos and stuff. And then I also had made a couple of tags. And I made those with the leftovers. Between those 3 packs of paper that I used, there's not a whole lot of paper left. So these guys just don't want to stay in there. And then we come over to the last page right here. So this is a set of stacked pockets as well. And so I use the oval for the ACT cards, the oval shape. So I used that to cut this out instead of the other one that I used was the square one. So I went ahead and used the oval one just to show you a different kind of look. And then again, the tags I made to go in the pocket. And then they just go ahead and slide right down. Just like that. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this album. I will leave all the links down below, as well as a link to the original tutorial on this album. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you are inspired to create a different look and not just stuck on a Halloween look like the other album was. And if you're watching this on the Crealies YouTube channel, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. And if you're on my channel, Patty's Crafty Spot, again, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. And I will leave, like I said, I'll leave all the links down below. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.